Enter online inkjet printer editing operation tutorial video. Press the power button on the left side of the machine. Then click Print. Then click Create at the top right corner of the screen. Click Add, then click Text. Click Font to select the font type. However, there is only default in the machine. If you need other fonts, you can import them yourself. Text size 是设置字号大小的，数值越大，字体就越大。Below Style, they will be for icons, underlined, bold, italic, which can be lit according to your needs. X and Y are the coordinates that display the currently selected object. The width and height of the font can be set as needed. Width ratio is the horizontal font width ratio for displaying text objects. You can click the input box to modify the font width ratio. There are 3 options for visible to choose from. Visible means that the edited content can be printed. Invisible is used to set the currently selected content to be displayed, but not printed. Invert is used to change the originally black font to white and the blank areas to black. There are 2 icons below Philp. The icon on the left is a horizontal image, and the one on the right is a vertical image. You can let them up as needed. Rotation is to set the display angle of the object. After pressing the outline button, the object can be set to display only the outline. Spacing is used to set the distance between characters. Clicking the button allows you to select normal, wide, or narrow. Click Text below, then click Content, and you can edit the content. Click Shift to switch between upper and lower case. Clicking on An, CN switches the Chinese input method. Click on the one on the right side of the keyboard. You can input numbers or symbols by pressing keys. Select the object and then click Copy, and it will be directly copied and pasted behind the selected object. Click Barcode to add. Format is used to set the type of barcode. QR code can be selected. The width and height of the barcode can be set as needed. Bar height is to set only the height of the barcode. Padding is used to set whether the barcode should be left blank. Click the drop-down key to select the width of the blank space. Frame type is used to set whether the barcode displays the protective frame in the type of the protective frame. Frame TTP is used to set the width of the barcode protective frame and can only be set when the protective frame is set. Text visibility is used to set whether the barcode text content is displayed. Text margin is to set the distance between the text and the barcode. Text size is used to set the size of the text below the barcode. The style is set according to the requirements. Width ratio is to set the horizontal scaling value of the text below the barcode and change the scaling ratio. Generally, setting visibility to visible is sufficient. The X and Y below are for setting the horizontal and vertical scaling values to change the barcode scaling ratio. After enabling the function log aspect ratio and selecting this function, when modifying horizontal or vertical scaling, the object will be adjusted proportionally. Flip is set according to the requirements. Rotation is used to set the angle direction of the barcode. Click text 1 below, then click content to edit the content within the barcode. After the content is edited, the barcode will also change according to the content. Click GSE. Format is used to set the type of GSI barcode. The type will change according to the barcode type you select. AI delimiter is set to indicate that when the input content exceeds or falls short of the length corresponding to the AI value, the GS1 code displayed on the canvas will turn red and report an error. If GS1 data validation is turned off, no digit validation will be performed and no error will be reported. Height and width are used to set the height and width of the QR code. Error corrected. It is to set the error correction level of the QR code, referring to the ability of the QR code to be scanned, even when a part is blocked. The higher the error tolerance rate, the more parts of the QR code can be blocked. QR size is used to set the size of the QR code. The other settings are the same as those of the barcode. Click text below, then click content to edit the content in the QR code. Then edit according to the requirements. Click the icon to the left of the plus sign at the lower right corner to fine-tune the controlled object. Add ink. Click image below. Because there are no pictures on the machine now, nothing is displayed. Now save and exit, and then click Tools. Then insert the USB flash drive containing the pictures into the left side of the machine. Click Image and enter image_manage. Click on Import, then select the image you want to import, and then click OK. It has been imported successfully. Now, select the file and then click Edit. Click on the picture and then enter image. Now the picture just imported will appear below. You can set the height and width of the image according to your needs. Lock aspect ratio is to lock the ratio of horizontal scaling to vertical scaling. When modifying horizontal scaling or vertical scaling, the object will be adjusted proportionally. Flip can adjust the direction of the picture. Generally, setting visibility to visible is sufficient. Click Counter. The font settings are the same as the previous ones. Click Counter below. Start is the minimum value for setting the counter. End is to set the maximum value of the counter. Step is to set how much the counter increments each time. Querent is used to set the current printing value of the counter, and the setting range is within the range of the starting value and the ending value. Leading 0 is the setting for setting the counter in the pre-zero mode. Carry is generally set to none. After the alarm is turned on, when it sprays to the end value of the counter, will it alarm and automatically stop the printing. Ring counts is used to set the number of times that need to be reprinted, currently. Base is in decimal by default. If you need to use other number systems, click the square icon beside it to enter the number editing interface. Something like this. Add data. The font settings of data are the same as the previous ones. Format is for selecting the date format. Or click the square icon beside it, and you can edit the date format you want. Click Create again to set it up. Now sort according to the requirements. You can also click the text icon to add text. You can also select and click Delete. Expiry can be set to increase the time by how much on the basis of the original time. This has 1 year. Leading 0 is the setting of the 0 mode before the date. There are a total of 4 modes to choose from as needed. The 0 set is that if you set it to 8 o'clock, the date of May 19th will be printed before 8 o'clock, but after 8 o'clock, it will print the date of May 20th. Calendar can be selected as either the Gregorian calendar or the solar calendar. Click the drop-down button and choose as needed. Click the drop-down button on DST to select European Standard Daylight Saving Time or American Standard Daylight Saving Time. It is usually off by default. Add theme. The theme font setting is the same as the previous font setting. Click Theme below. Click the square icon and then click Create. Then set the time and color according to the requirements. Click Add to add another group. After the settings are completed, you can click OK to save, and then go back to the previous page and click the drop-down box to select the content you just edited. You can also click the small square icon, select the file you want to delete, and then click Delete. Add graphic. Click Graphic below, then click Shape, and select the box, circle, ellipse, or path as needed. The width and height of the graphic can be set. For visibility, it is generally sufficient to select Visible. After pressing the Outline button, the object can be set to display only the outline or fill the interior. Thickness is the setting of the thickness of the graphic border. Lock aspect ratio is to lock the ratio of horizontal scaling to vertical scaling. When modifying horizontal scaling or vertical scaling, the object will be adjusted proportionally. Fill and rotation are set as needed. Click the yellow button at the lower left corner of the screen to return to the saved file.